YouTube is huge. People watch tons of videos, but not everyone wants to be on camera. That's where faceless videos come in. These videos don't show the creator. This is great for shy people. It's also good for businesses that want a simple video style. Faceless videos are getting popular. Viewers care about good content. They don't always need to see the creator. In fact, faceless videos can have even better engagement. This is because they often use cool visuals and text. This keeps viewers interested. InVideo AI is a tool for making videos. It's perfect for faceless content. You don't need to be a video pro. InVideo AI makes it easy. It has templates designed for faceless videos. These templates look professional. You can customize them to fit your brand. Add your own text, colors and music. InVideo AI has stock footage and images. These make your videos visually appealing. You don't need to hire a film crew. It's all right there in the platform. Go to the InVideo AI website, sign up for an account. They have a free plan to try it out. Once you're in, explore the platform. Look at the templates and features. Pick a template. Choose one that fits your video idea. Then you can customize it. Add your own text and images. InVideo AI makes it easy. It has a drag and drop interface. You can move elements around, adjust the timing, preview your changes. First, plan your content. What do you want to teach or share? Then write a script. This will keep your video focused. Next, gather your visuals. Use InVideo AI's stock library. You can also upload your own. Now it's time to edit. Add your visuals to the timeline. Sync them with your script. Finally, add music and sound effects. InVideo AI has a library of royalty-free options. You don't need to worry about copyright issues. In this section, we'll explore how to add visual appeal to your videos, even without showing your face. Use text on screen to highlight key points and make your message clear. Choose bold fonts and make sure the text is easy to read. Adding animations and transitions can help keep viewers engaged, but be careful not to make it too distracting. Use a variety of visuals, mixing photos, videos and graphics to keep things interesting. And don't forget about audio. Use music and sound effects to set the mood, as good audio makes a big difference. Section 6. Example, creating a faceless cooking tutorial. Let's say you want to make a cooking tutorial, but you don't want to be on camera. No problem, InVideo AI can help. First, choose a recipe. Write out the steps. This is your script. Next, film the cooking process. Use a tripod for steady shots. Focus on the food. Upload your footage to InVideo AI. Choose a template designed for cooking videos. Add text overlays to show the ingredients and steps. Use close-up shots of the food. Make it look mouth-watering. Add some upbeat music. Now you have a professional-looking cooking tutorial, all without showing your face. Section 7. Optimizing your faceless videos for success. Use keywords in your title and description. This helps people find your video. Research popular keywords in your niche. Create a catchy thumbnail. It's the first thing people see. Make it eye-catching. Promote your video on social media. Share it with your audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback. Build a community. This shows people that you care. Section 8. Tips for engaging your audience. Keep your videos concise. Get to the point. People have short attention spans. Hook viewers in the first few seconds. Make them want to keep watching. Add a call to action. Tell viewers what you want them to do, like comment, subscribe. Use humor, storytelling, or emotion. Connect with your audience on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different video styles. See what works best. Have fun with it. Section 9. The future of faceless content. Faceless videos are on the rise. They're only going to get more popular. Tools like InVideo AI make it easy. This opens up opportunities for everyone. You don't need to be on camera to succeed. Focus on creating great content. The rest will follow. Embrace the power of faceless videos. Start creating today. The future of content creation is here.